Smoke another one. Oh wow, look at that. That's cool. There's some really neat designs in the clouds tonight. For sure, for sure, for sure. Look at that. The sky's like pink and blue and all different kinds of colors. I'll pull all the way out so we can see like something like right there. And then we've got something right there. Let's see over my head. You can see the edge right there. That is really cool. And then of course you can see that huge white edge. All the different colors in the clouds. And the pink. That's pretty damn cool. I think I will share this one. Look at that. It's like one's on this side and one's on this side. And it's pushing them together. And then you got that in the middle. It's the median. Well, that's cool. Yes, it is. That's beautiful. Wow. See how it keeps changing into pink? And then I'll go to blue and then pink. That's really cool. I'm not doing anything except for moving the camera up, and then I'll go move it down. Oh, wow. It's like the whole sky is just like turning pink. Huh. Ooh, look at that. You can see it a little better now. Look at how tiny those little guys are. Little tiny, 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 tiny little dots. Wow, super stuff going on. There's another one right there. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, the whole sky's just turning pink. What's that back there? See if it'll come in. Yeah, right on. All right, right lie down. There. See that? See that change in color? Huh? I'm not doing anything except for going up. And then I'm gonna go down. Wow, that is cool. The sky looks very dark right now, but it's all lit up in my camera with pink. What's that? Looks like a blurb. Alrighty, I'll let you all go. I was having fun today, catching up on some of my photos that I miss doing, that I enjoy doing. That is so cool. It's just, I can't explain like what that is because I don't know. Because that's what color it really is, right? That's what, and then I go like this. Wow, I've never seen that before. That's a first. Everything turns purple. Alright, peace.